When I arrive in Canada, guys, I don't come here with no qualification. Said my first job in Canada was working at a hotel. Yeah, man, room attendant, cleaning 16 rooms a day, working 7 days a week. Say I saw this Jamaican body. Yeah, man, you see her picture up on the YouTube streets, shoplifting. Why you guys always come to these Western countries and stealing? Hmm? A matter of fact, she can't go on food stamp. Woman, you know, say should I go get food stamp instead of you're trying. So you're gonna steal what is not yours and capture and body cam camera. Why when we come into these Western countries, we want to show our bad behavior. But the things that we should do at Jamaica, we bring them come after it. So when we see J Progress run out now and show the Jamaican body, oh she's sexy. Be a name branding thief. Be a name brand she thief, you know. Why are we as young women, not me, young women, why small no can't get to act together? We don't even get to act together, you know. That's why plenty young women when they go to Dubai, they must sell themselves, they must let men defecating in their mouths just to get money, just to wear the latest brand. I don't know. No, it's a matter of fact, we're in modern times. You can become a content creator and make that money. You can have all 3 platform posting and making money. The government will even help you. You don't have to steal clothes. You can go and shop. Miss Baddie. I don't even know what your name. Miss Baddie. Do you know that you can go and shop when it's sales? That's what I did in Canada. I want my reputation. My motherfucker, guys, I want my slate to clean. Because I remember one time I go in a Walmart, about 5 to 6 years ago. And when I go in there, I come out. This guy stopped me, this security guy stopped me. And he asked me some questions. I asked him, so what do you want from me? And he was trying to accuse me of shoplifting. Sometimes, I don't know. They always target us, people of color, especially we. Because one time I go in our store, and because I was at the front of the store picking up some clothes and sorting out some clothes, say, yes, I'm back to school now. Said I want to get some stuff for my daughters. I saw the lady from round the counter come and she was looking at me. And I look back at her and then she walk away. And then I went and cash whatever I pick up. And from that day, I have not been back in that store. So when we see Jamaican body, yeah, shoplift. Shame on you. Shame on you. I saw no come here. And just a thief and wanna do all kind of manner of thing because you don't want to work. Work for what you want, lady. Work for what you want. You don't come here no one with the latest Louis Vuitton, all kind of these brands. But you don't want to put in the works. Sometimes some of you don't want to go work on 2 jobs. You sit down and say yes. Welfare check. No for you come here, welfare check you sit down part. And then you come to Jamaica. No for you. And then you come to Jamaica. You come down to Jamaica and you dress up and everything. And you come down and you married to the poor little Jamaican man. They must say, you not can come abroad. They check it out, you not live off of welfare. Yes, not living a majority of the time people go to Jamaica. It's credit cards. Credit cards talk for us. Not me, And when we come back, after we 2 weeks trip, guess what? We have to go work. We have to go work, and pay off that, So when we see all Miss Alicia Kim run out all palm boys back and talks about thief $200. Yes, because she go to Jamaica and she go have fun. And she come back and she accuse her ex-husband of stealing when his boo actually opened that account for her. So all I want to come to this first world country, I want to steal. Stop that, man. Work for what you don't want. Because we are going to beat you left, right, and center now, Miss Jamaican body. Stealing in these Western world countries. Shame on you, man. I want to make when the security guards and see we come in a Walmart and no freeze and the rest of the store, them just watch we. Because guess what? Your picture all over the internet. A flash here, flash there. We have to stop it. We have to stop it. Work for what you want. Stay in your lane. If you work say $1,200 for the month, yes, so that you work for the month. $600 go towards your rent, $200 to your food. And you can put away the next $400 if I'm calculating properly. We have to stop it, man. So I see Jake Progress put up the picture with the girl. The girl sexy and shape up good. And body well fixed up. No for no come no sa fix you, no sa fix there. And if you say fixing on nobody, it's gonna get to know all the men them. Yes, man. The man they were claim to say, yeah, them have money. But actually those men use you guys. Say, shame on you, man, boy, you do shoplifting, young lady. And this a young lady, you know. Because she look like she about in her 20s. But because sometimes they fix up themselves and they fix up and they suck out this out of you, so they suck out that over you, so, and then take fat from out her tummy, put it in a box, them backside. So sometimes they don't know who is real. They don't even know people yet. Enough time I go in a Walmart and I see security guard that tackle people, especially the aboriginal people, them tackling them aground. And sometimes it looks so disgusting. Yes, taking what is not theirs. No people sometimes we go in a store. I say me we go in a no fields and see one man take up sitting shoe and in nice sweater. Stealing. Even in the dollar store I saw this young white guy one day and then load up him bag and buy the security guard for come and the young lady for call. Gone. Full up him bag and take himself. Enough time we go in a especially me, this man they target the dollar store in Canada. The dollar stores in Canada. And they go in there and they took what they want. And sometimes the security guard catch them and sometimes they don't catch them because people is literally struggling in these first world countries. Yeah, people cannot buy food. People sometimes them have to sell a couple recycling bottles just to put a night dinner on the table. So when me no like to see for me Jamaicans then come and do and shoplifting. Yes, even last year some Americans they were shoplifting because they did not get like a government money. I don't remember, And they were shoplifting young black ladies on the internet posting. Yes, going live too. And said that they steal. Yes, that young black lady, she's American and she have her baby in the back seat. And I said, look at this. Shame, we have to stop it. We are black people. No man, we are black ladies, we have to stop it. We can do 2 jobs. We can sign up for certain programs and get help. Even Canada, food bank. You can go to the food bank, man. You can sign up and get the loan to pay off your debt. Or to go and buy anything that you want. But we have to stop it. Sometimes it hurts me to see Jamaican stealing. Because I remember this promising Jamaican guy, Yeah, man. I think he gets some form of scholarship. And he get a job. I think it happened in England. J Progress shared that video. Promising young man. He was 18 years old. Or probably live in America. Either in America or in England. And they capture it. Don't capture him. They capture everything on the camera. Stealing for months. Stealing for months, young black guy. You have been getting paid and you are stealing. Yes, that young black guy lost his scholarship. His mom was so shame. Shame when the police come and pick him up. So we have to stop it, man. Stop shoplifting, man. Stay in your lane. Buy what you can afford. Go and get clothes. When you're at 80% or 70%, that's the way I shop. I don't want to see my kids them come and do certain manner of things. And it pains me to see some big woman doing shoplifting. Shame on you. Yeah, man, we have to stop it. It's not going to get us nowhere. Shoplifting Jamaicans. Hey. And then you come on Instagram and all over the place muggling. And posting pictures and Jamaicans, young ladies see you guys and want to be you. But actually you guys are shoplifters.